The One Resolution, uniting humanity for a sustainable future. A modern, hopeful blueprint for a connected planet, inspired by unity, designed for action. Our world is at a crossroads. Faced with division, climate crises, and inequality, it is easy to feel that a unified future is out of reach. But what if we could rewrite the story? What if unity could be designed, shared, and built together? This is the One Resolution Manifesto, a bold yet practical blueprint built on 10 interconnected pillars. It merges our most basic human needs with our highest ethical aspirations, creating a framework for global collaboration. It means guaranteeing universal access to food and healthcare, ensuring knowledge and opportunity reach every child, a global mission to combat climate change, and cultural dialogues that build deep social bonds. It is a dynamic system of governance, empowered communities, and audacious dreams. Connecting it all are two revolutionary projects: the Universal Port C for sustainable trade, and a unified AI hub in Australia, ensuring technology serves all of humanity. To make this work, we reimagine our world as 8 collaborative regional unions. Each contributes its unique strengths, intricately linked by the Universal Port C, and coordinated by the ethical intelligence of the AI hub, a true nervous system for the planet. This circle is more than a symbol. It is a promise of unity. But this vision remains an idea without you. We need to draft a global charter, build a digital home for this movement, and share this message. This is your invitation to co-create a future where unity is our greatest strength. The One Resolution. Join the movement. Unite for a sustainable future. The One Resolution Manifesto.